Once a supplier is selected, the process proceeds to awarding. For goods, Argao prepares the Notice of Award or NOA, which is endorsed to the approving authority. After approval, the supplier signs the NOA and returns it to Argao. Argao then prepares the purchase order and notice to proceed, which are again endorsed for approval. Once approved, these documents are forwarded to the project team and sent to the supplier for acceptance of the PO and NTP prior to the commencement of delivery. After delivery, the project team evaluates the supplier's performance within 15 days using the prescribed evaluation form. For services, the Argao also prepares the Notice of Award or NOA, which is endorsed to the approving authority. Once approved, the supplier accepts the NOA and returns the signed copy to Argao. Afterwards, depending on the nature of the service, either a purchase order or PO or a contract is processed. For routine or standard services with a limited scope and duration, such as preventive maintenance, calibration, repair, maintenance services, and other similar services, the Argao prepares the purchase order. The purchase order is then directly routed to the appropriate approving authorities for approval. Once fully approved, it is forwarded to the project team and sent to the service provider for acceptance. For services that are not covered under these routine or standard services, the end user or project team prepares the draft contract, together with a cover letter, and submit this to the Argao. The Argao then endorses the contract to the legal office for review and approval. Once cleared by the legal office, the contract is routed to the next approving authorities. Upon complete approval of either the PO or the contract, the document is forwarded to the project team and sent to the service provider for acceptance. Following the approval of the PO or contract, the Notice to Proceed or NTP is processed for approval. Once the NTP is also approved, it is sent to the service provider for acceptance, after which the implementation of the service may officially commence. Here is the sample Notice of Award. This document indicates the winning bidder and the items awarded to them. Next is a sample of the purchase order. It also contains the details of the winning bidder and the awarded items, along with the agreed terms and conditions, including the delivery requirements. Next is a sample of a contract. This is based on the template provided by the legal office, which is also based on the NGPA standard forms. And lastly is the sample of the Notice to Proceed.